Hello everyone. Well, today we are checking much, many, some, and any. Let's start. Much. Much is used for uncountable nouns, things you can't count individually, like water or time. Much is mainly used in negative and interrogative sentences. For example, I don't have much time. It doesn't need much gas. Does it use much electricity? How much does it cost? Many. Many is used for countable nouns, things you can count like books or chairs. It's also mainly used in negative and interrogative sentences. For example, there aren't many chairs in the room. I don't have many students. Do you think many people will come? There are many cars on the street. The next is some. Some use some for affirmative positive sentences with countable and uncountable nouns. For example, I need some water to drink. I will take some time to finish this work. Sorry, I read too slow. Okay, I will take some time to finish this work. I will take some time to finish this work. Next example. Can I borrow some money to buy pizza? Can I borrow some money to buy pizza? And the last one. There are some books on the table. There are some books on the table. The last word we check is any. Use any for negative sentences and questions. It may be used with countable and uncountable nouns. Let's see the examples. The examples are I can't find any reason to stay. There isn't any book on the table. Is there any milk in the fridge? Is there any milk in the fridge? Is there anybody at home? Is there anybody at home? Okay, my dear friends, so that's all what we see today about these words. Okay, if you have any question, don't forget to comment. Okay, for me to answer back. Okay, so for you to watch next video, please click there where the arrow points. See you next time. So long.